Thomasville, crews are hard at work clearing fallen trees and restoring power to over 6,400 homes still in the dark. The recovery process is underway, but it will take time to get everything back to normal. Royal Baker is one of the residents directly impacted by the storm as a massive tree fell on his car late last night.
Yeah, I mean, we were preparing for everything, tied everything down, turned over all the chairs in the yard and got rid of the umbrellas, anything that can fly away.
Despite all the precautions, the storm caused serious damage.
I have a 2-car garage. We got 3 cars, and so one was in the driveway, and the tree just happened to find it.
The tree crushed his car and destroyed 3 baby car seats inside. Royal says the tree will be difficult to remove since it's resting on the car, likely needing a crane to lift it. A little further down the road, Noel and McNamara had a different experience, dealing mostly with smaller debris and a loss of power.
Closer to 1 a.m., the winds picked up, and that's when we lost power. And the tree down the road fell. Mostly it was just small branches and leaves.
Like many in the area, he stayed indoors as the wind and debris rattled his house.
But the wind was making some wild